Water stress can be due to both natural and human made causes. However, today I am going to talk about how the water stress in India is of anthropogenic origin. Hello, my name is Rishabh Mahajan, and today I'll be talking about water stress in India. More than half the population in India is facing water stress. That means 600 million people in India face water stress on their daily life. India is known as a water rich country, as it amounts for 4% of the world's water resources. But by the international norms, countries with equal to or less than 1,700 cubic meter of water per capita per year are water stressed. And the same value for India is 1,545 cubic meter, which is further predicted to drop to less than 1,200 cubic meter by 2025. Rainfall is considered as a chief source for the recharging of the water resources and water replenishment, but it is confined to a few months each year, and that too are uncertain, erratic, and uneven. They frequently fail to arrive on time. Monsoon rainfall levels have fallen in India over the years. As you can see in the graph, the average rainfall per year has been declining. Has been below the average line since 2013 to 2018. But is the failure of monsoon the major caution? No. The problem is of anthropogenic origin. That is, the water stress is man-made. India is one of the top growers of agricultural products in the world, and thus the consumption of water for irrigation purposes is amongst the highest. India is the largest extractor of groundwater in the world, according to the World Water Development Report. Indian agriculture highly benefited from the Green Revolution in 1970s, which brought more and more land under the cultivation process and promoted pumping of groundwater for the irrigation purposes. But the traditional techniques of irrigation caused maximum water loss due to various processes like evaporation, drainage, percolation, which led to excessive use of groundwater. The situation is particularly dire in the northwest region of India. As the use of traditional irrigation techniques continues, the stress for available water for other purposes will prevail. Along with the extensive loss of water in irrigation process in agriculture, India is a highly populated country. So, a rapid urbanization and the construction are snubbing the traditional water bodies that have also acted as a recharging mechanism for groundwater replenishment. This rapid population surge has led to a rapid urbanization and the little infrastructure planning. Urban lakes and inlets have been lost to the infringement and environmental degradation, resulting in a lack of places to store reusable water. The water conservation infrastructure, that is, rainwater harvesting systems, wastewater treatment, and water reuse and recycle, are also inadequate due to lack of knowledge and lack of interest in people to adopt the new techniques. Along with the urbanization and agriculture, water pollution is one of the major problems which has led to an increase in available water stress in India. Like 70% of the surface water resources are contaminated by biological, inorganic, and organic pollutants. India is a diverse cultural country. Most of the cultural and spiritual activities involve dumping of commodities used in these processes into water body, which further adds up to the water pollution. And for a country with such a high amount of population and high level of water demand, the percentage of municipal sewage that is being treated in India is only 21%. In the end, I would like to conclude by the statement that human instinct is to blame such problems on climate change or global warming, but India's water stress is man-made. However, natural factors are responsible for some of the water stress in the country, but the natural calamities are itself the result of overexploitation of natural resources by humans. Thank you, and here are some references.